If you still believe you need to cut everything you love to get a flat belly, I'm sorry, but you've been seriously misled. The truth is, your body doesn't need to suffer to lose weight. And here's the catch: that morning belly bloat. That shows up out of nowhere, even after a clean day, isn't your fault. The real problem might be hidden in what no one ever told you: your digestion, your hormones, and especially your blood sugar. Yes, sugar. It's the undercover villain behind stubborn belly fat and glucose spikes. But here's the twist: you don't need a strict diet to fix it. There's a 1-minute morning trick, completely natural, that activates your metabolism and helps reduce abdominal bloating before you even get out of bed. And the best part? It has already transformed the routines of thousands of women, and you could be next. In this video, you'll discover a simple, powerful, and totally doable method to start your day right. No restrictions, no food guilt, no struggle, just what really works. And if you feel like you've tried everything, maybe it's time to try what actually makes sense. Ready to change how you care for your body? The truth behind morning bloating. Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, your belly bloated, even after a light dinner? That's not just your imagination. It's real bloating, and it has silent causes. Fluid retention, slow digestion, and especially unbalanced blood sugar levels are major culprits. Most people blame age or hormones, but in truth, it's your body trying to cope with invisible imbalances. And this is where sustainable weight loss begins, by understanding your signals. Many women blame themselves, thinking it's a lack of discipline, when really, they're just trapped in a cycle their bodies can't escape. Even eating right can trigger bloating if glucose levels are high and the metabolism isn't working properly. That's why learning how to reduce belly bloating fast isn't about cutting carbs or living on lettuce. It's about understanding what's going on inside you. What almost no one tells you is that there are simple, natural ways to shift this, starting the moment you wake up. A small belly flattening trick can make all the difference, and it doesn't require forced fasting or draining workouts. We're talking about a morning habit that works on belly fat and glucose, turning your routine into a natural fat-burning rhythm. Curious to see exactly how it works? Blood sugar and belly fat. Most women don't realize that the stubborn belly fat they can't shake may have more to do with sugar than calories. When high glucose and weight gain go hand in hand, the body stores excess sugar as fat, right? Around the belly. The wild part? This can happen even when you're barely eating. That's why learning how to lower blood sugar naturally may be more powerful than obsessing over calories. When you wake up, your body is at its most receptive. It's deciding whether to burn or store fat. And this is where the magic happens. If you don't send the right signal, your body stores instead of burns. But a 1-minute morning trick can flip that switch fast. It's like a biochemical nudge that tells your metabolism to go into fat-burning mode instead of fat-storing mode. Small move, massive shift. If you've tried everything and nothing's working, maybe you've just missed the simplest step. The path to true weight loss for women starts with a small yet powerful morning action, something that fits right into a healthy morning to lose weight, and sets the stage for the trick you're about to learn. The 1-minute trick. What it is and how to do it. Here's the secret that many women are quietly using to change their mornings and their bodies. This belly flattening trick is so simple it almost sounds too good to be true. A natural shot, made in less than 1 minute using ingredients you already have. Warm water with lemon, apple cider vinegar, a dash of Ceylon cinnamon, maybe some psyllium. The key is when and how you take it. Right when you wake up on an empty stomach. This shot acts like a biochemical signal. It kickstarts your metabolism, balances high blood sugar, and helps reduce abdominal bloating. Cinnamon boosts insulin sensitivity. Psyllium gives long-lasting satiety and helps digestion. Vinegar helps stabilize glucose levels. In short, a powerful combo that tells your body to burn fat instead of storing it. Here's a simple version. Warm 100 ml of water, squeeze in half a lemon, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon for an extra. Boost, mix in a teaspoon of psyllium and stir well. Sip slowly, mindfully. This quick habit shifts your morning routine to lose belly fat and lays the foundation for true sustainable weight loss. And you'll soon see why it works, even if you don't change anything else. Why it works, even without dieting. The beauty of this trick lies right here. It works even without dieting. That's because it doesn't rely on restriction or struggle. What it really does is reprogram your metabolism. It lowers blood sugar, spikes, improves insulin resistance, and reduces sugar cravings. When your glucose stops spiking like a roller coaster, your body finally starts to burn fat more easily, and you feel it in real life. Less bloating, more fullness, fewer cravings. Imagine no longer having to fight the urge to snack all day. That's what happens when your body gets stabilized from the inside. It's not magic, it's biology. And this process supports fat loss without needing to count every bite or feel guilty after meals. Even more, your metabolism begins to respond differently. Your body realizes it doesn't need to store fat and starts releasing it, especially that stubborn belly fat and glucose combo that won't budge. It's an inside-out transformation that creates a whole new baseline. Now, let's turn this simple habit into something powerful, something lasting, something you'll want to do every single day. Turning this habit into a sustainable weight loss ritual. Creating a ritual isn't about being rigid. It's about being consistent with joy. When you turn your morning shot into a moment of care, it becomes more than a drink. It's a signal to your brain and body that you're walking a different path. Smarter, kinder, more effective. Repeating this belly-flattening trick daily is how you teach your system to evolve. Small choices lead to massive outcomes. Here's a practical idea. Pair the shot with something enjoyable. Maybe a calming playlist, a quick gratitude journal, or sipping it while soaking in the morning light. That anchors the habit emotionally, making it something you look forward to. And just like that, your healthy morning to lose weight gains real meaning. You're not just doing it for looks. You're doing it for energy, clarity, and self-respect. This is the root of sustainable weight loss. No drama, no extremes, no burnout. Once this trick becomes part of your day, it starts shaping the rest of your choices too. You feel better, crave less sugar, and naturally want to take care of yourself. That's the domino effect of doing things the gentle way. And now that you've got the full map, it's time to face a truth no one else dares to tell. Now tell me, are you going to keep waking up every morning with the same bloat thinking it's just how it is? Or are you finally going to take action? Smart action. You've seen that you don't need to suffer or starve to make real changes. Just one small, intentional step can set your whole day and body on a different track. And if 1 minute a day can start that shift, why wait? How many times have you delayed your wellness, waiting for the perfect Monday? Why not turn tomorrow into your day one? Tell me in the comments, which habit are you going to try first? I want to hear from you. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and share this with a friend who deserves to feel great too. This is just the beginning, and I'm with you every step of the way.